Alright, today we're going to work on area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. The basic premise for this today is some stuff we've already done. We're going to 1. Copy the formula. 2. Substitute. 3. Solve, one step at a time. And 4. Label. Okay, I've listed the formulas on the side. They can also be found posted on Canvas in the notes. If we have a parallelogram, the formula is base times height. So I will copy my formula, base times height. They tell us the base is 12, the height is 10. Remember to separate your two things to show multiplication. So to solve this, we're going to take 12 times 10. We will get 120. Our label will be meters. Since we're dealing with area, everything will be squared. Our trapezoid has a little bit longer of a formula. It is the height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. They tell us the height is 13. Our bases are 3 and 7. It really does not matter which one you use for base 1 or base 2. I'm just going to do them in order. 3 plus 7 divided by 2. When I'm working this out, I will now have 13. I'll take 7 plus 3 and get 10 divided by 2. Next step is we're going to multiply. We'll end up with 130 divided by 2. And if we take 130 divided by 2, we will get 65. Again, our label will be centimeters. Since we're dealing with area, it will be squared. The third figure we're going to see is a triangle. The formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So I'll have base times height divided by 2. Our base is 9.4. Again, I'm going to separate this to show my multiplication. My height is 5, and we're going to divide by 2. So on your calculators, you would take 9.4 times 5 divided by 2, and that would equal 23.5. And our label would be feet squared. Okay, the next part of this gets into finding area of irregular figures, or more than one figure put together. If we look at number 7, we can see at the bottom we have a rectangle, at the top we have a triangle. So we're going to have to find the area of both figures, then add them at the end. Our rectangle formula is length times width, so we will have 10 times 5, which gives us 50 centimeters squared. We'll notice on our triangle they give us the height of 3. So I'll put 3 in the formula. They do not expressly list a base, but if we look to the bottom of this, we'll see from here to here it is 10. On a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, so therefore the base of the triangle is 10. We'll put 10 into our formula. We'll take 10 times 3 to get 30, divided by 2, and get 15. So now what we need to do is add our two answers together, so 50 plus 15, and we would have a total area of 65 centimeters squared.